I want to show you a little album I've been working on. I took a class from Clare, I never can remember her last name. I'll link it under this video. And it's a box that has pages inside, and I'm going to attach the pages. I did these separate and decorated them separate, and then I'm going to attach them because I thought it was easier for the decorating process. So we'll be attaching those, and I'm also going to put a title on my album. So my craft room has this beautiful Van Gogh photo reproduction in my studio, and I thought a box to match it would be nice. And Steve's been making a lot of art, so I'm going to just flip my album over, remembering that this is the bottom, so this will be going here, and this is the top up here. So I just have this on transfer tape, and I'm going to take the transfer tape. Is that the right way? Wrong direction. I'm going to take off the original backing of the vinyl. I thought this box is so busy and so colorful, I would make the title very, very simple. Just burnishing it there. Their letters are very small. Again, where I didn't want to do cardstock, I chose to do vinyl. I'm just rolling this back. Probably should have put the Steve first because this is not easy to do online. I'm going to be putting Steve's creations that he's made since retirement, pictures of those creations, in this album. And then we'll have a memory of some of his canvases that we haven't kept, but have given as gifts and such. He's become quite the artist. Okay, I just place this where I want it. Burnish it a little. And then I'll roll off the transfer sheet. And hopefully it'll come neat and easy. Okay. And the art one should be a little easier because it's bigger. Now, while I'm putting this on, you'll notice that I already have double-sided tape on my bindings. And I'm going to be also adding some tacky glue to make sure that all these pages stay stuck on. I used mat board for my background and construction tape to put it together. And it's a Facebook Live class, and you can take it anytime. It's not live now, but if you want to sign up for it, again, I'll have the link there. Okay, this is the top. And I'll just put my art right in the corner. Burnish it down. Then I'll roll off the transfer tape. And this way, the letters will not cover up the beautiful cover. There we go. Not perfectly straight, but that's gonna do. Okay. Now, let's put on these pages. We have right pages, whoops, let's see, where's the camera? We have right pages and left pages, and they are staggered. So they're going to go on these spines. And the right side is number 1 and 3, and the left side is number 2 and 4. And I'm going to put this in a 1/2 inch from the edge. Now during the class they put on these spines right away after they're put together, and I thought it would be easier to decorate them. So as I said, even though I have tape on here, I'm going to add tacky glue so it will adhere well. And I'm putting it 1/2 inch from the edge. I'm eyeballing it, putting it at the bottom. There we go. One other thing about putting tacky glue with the sticky tape is it gives it time, if you have to adjust it at all, to move it. Okay. Now this one, I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to put it in 3/4 of an inch so that the pages will stagger. And it's about 1/8 of an inch from the top, so I'll take off the glue. I mean the glue cover. Not always my easiest task. Add some tacky glue. So I can maneuver if I have to, and it makes a good hold. Just see what I have, 3/4 of an inch is here. Okay. I'm actually going to open this page up, make sure the bottoms are even. I probably should have drawn a line. I think Claire drew a line. That's good. Okay. Looks correct to me. So I will burnish this. Now even the bindings have paper on it. That was one of my hardest parts. There's so many colors in this collection. Okay, now I'm going to just show you the inside out from this album before my tape runs out. Oh, you're not going to believe what I did. I put all these pages upside down. Well, now you really see a mistake in the process. And we'll see if we can fix this. If not, I'm going to be very sad. I did the wrong page on the wrong side. Didn't look to see what was upside down and upside right. All right, I think that's the worst mistake I've ever made on a video. I'll try to cry later, not now. I think we might need a new spine because this is going to tear the spine, but I want to get it off before it tears my book. Wow. Look what I did. Oh, okay, Elaine. Guess what? We'll just have to put this on again. I just noticed this picture was upside down. That's my problem. This is how the album goes. Because this opens up like this, and these pages flip out. They're already attached on one big piece on the back. And I did it backwards. So now this will show, and I don't have any more of that paper, so I'm going to have to figure out what I'm going to do to cover the spines. So this is how it will be. but the spines will be replaced. So I'll do a walkthrough when I finish this and fix my mistake. Meanwhile, I'll show you, I have all these little cutaways that I'm going to use. That's about what's left. And this book becomes a box. And, well, I'm giving up for now. I'll do a walkthrough after. Have a better day than I am. Bye.